You all know that in the last class we were discussing the chapter polynomials. Hope that you have entered today's date. It is 36/2021. Dear students, in the chapter polynomial, in the very first class, we focused completely on the basics. You are very familiar with these basic terms. Once, just to recall them, the very first one is constant. Second one is variable. Third one is algebraic term. Fourth one is algebraic expression. Right? And with that, even we have also come to know that all constants and variables are algebraic terms. All constants, variables, and algebraic terms are algebraic expressions. But as we are discussing the chapter polynomials, as it comes under algebraic expression, do you say all the algebraic expressions are polynomials? What do you say? No, you cannot say all the algebraic expressions as polynomials. To say a polynomial, we have a condition. That condition was asked in yesterday's worksheet as well, right? Is it not? In yesterday's worksheet, very first question, what is the condition for the power of the variable involved in the polynomial? The power of the variable should be non-negative integer, nothing but there should be whole numbers. It may be 0, 1, 2, 3, anyone. But in general, we define the polynomial as an algebraic expression involving the variable whose power is non-negative integer. Once I repeat, an algebraic expression involving the variable whose power is non-negative integer is called a polynomial. Dear students, even you know the general form of the polynomial. It is P of x is equal to, Rutushree, let your concentration be here. Just I'm making you to recall the concepts what we learned in the last 2 days. P of x is equal to a naught x raised to the power 0, a1 x raised to the power 1 plus a2 x raised to the power 2 plus a3 x raised to the power 3 and so on, plus an x raised to the power n. This is the general form of polynomial. And here a0, a1, a2 and up to a, there are coefficients. And these coefficients may be any real numbers, right? And x, this is the variable involved. And observe the powers. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on up to n. They are all non-negative integral powers. Then after discussing about this, even we have come to know the highest power of the variable involved in the polynomial. What it is called? What is the highest power of the variable involved? Prashant sir? Prashant sir?
Yes, sir.
Degree of the polynomial.
Degree of a polynomial.
You chance to particular student. Okay. Yes. Prajwal SM, you tell. What do you call the highest power of the variable involved in the polynomial?
Degree of the polynomial.
Very good. It is degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the variable is degree of the polynomial. And based on degree, we have classified the polynomials as well. Lekha DV, what do you call a polynomial of degree 1?
Linear polynomial.
Linear polynomial.
A polynomial of degree 1.
Linear.
Linear polynomial.
Linear polynomial.
It is linear polynomial. Wait. Ranjan or Pisale? What is the general form of linear polynomial?
X plus b.
Ranjan or Pisale? Prashast?
A plus b is equal
Very
to
good. It is x plus b. Is there any condition for this? Prashast?
A is not equal to 0.
Yes, A should not be equal to 0. Next, Niharika, what do you call a polynomial of degree 2?
Biquadratic polynomial.
It is
Quadratic.
polynomial.
Quadratic.
Others should not tell. I'm giving chance to particular student. Renuka MY, what is the general form of quadratic polynomial?
Ax square plus bx plus c. A is
Very
not equal to 0.
Very good, very good. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Mohita VG, what do you call a polynomial of degree 3? Mohita VG,
Cubic.
it is called
Cubic polynomial.
cubic polynomial, and its general form, myself only will write, just observe. It is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Ravi Shankar, what do you call a polynomial of degree 4?
Biquadratic polynomial.
Very good. It is biquadratic polynomial. Ravi Shankar, you only continue to tell the general form. Ravi Shankar,
Ax power
Ax
of
power
4 plus
Ax power of 4.
don't tell. Others should not tell. Lakshmi Shri, you tell.
Ax to the power 4 plus bx to the power cube plus cx to the power 2 plus d plus e. dx plus e. A is not equal to 0.
You can read like this. A x raised to the power 4 plus b x cube, then plus c x square plus dx plus e, where a is not equal to 0. And Afrin, sorry, Shifalia, just I'll ask a very simple question with respect to cubic polynomial. What happens if a is 0?
Constant.
No, I'm taking 0 in place of a. Then what it becomes?
It will become quadratic polynomial.
Very good. ಈಗ a place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ax cube term get cancelled, right? When it get cancelled, remaining bx square plus cx plus d, and degree is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. If a becomes 0, it is a quadratic polynomial. In case of quadratic polynomial, if a becomes 0, it is a linear polynomial, right? Okay. Then fifth one, Dheeraj, what do you call a polynomial of degree?
Constant.
Polynomial.
Yes, very good. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. And its general form just be like a, where a is any constant. Vibha, give an example for constant polynomial.
5. 11. Root 2.
Yes.
5 root 2. 0. 11.
Oh,
0.
yes.
Sir, A is an any constant.
Root 2.
A is any constant. The numbers like 3, 7, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, root 2, 2 by 3, minus 6 by 7.
3 by 2.
Like that. All real numbers can be taken as example for constant polynomials. Got it? Then, and one more information, that is, even we learned how to find out the value of the polynomial. Next, after that, we learned an important concept called the value of the variable, which makes the value of polynomial as 0. What it is called?
The zero of the polynomial.
Zero of a polynomial.
Polynomial.
And with respect to that, yesterday we took some examples. I think the last one was, it is finding the zeros of x square plus 5x plus 6.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
This was last one. And now let me go for continuing. I think this was the second example.
Yes, sir.
Fifth.
Fifth one, sir.
This
First
one.
one, fifth
Sir,
subquotient.
now
Okay. If so, let me ask, before going to continue today's class, just I'll go for raising two more questions. Tejasvi, you tell. What is the zero of the polynomial 2x plus 3? Just mind calculation is enough.
Minus 3/2.
Minus
It is minus 3 by 2. You know that how to find out the zero of this polynomial. So first it should be equated to 0. Then you will go for solving the variable. Here 2x is there. Let us write 2x as it is. Transfer 3 to the right hand side. Here plus 3 is there. It becomes
Minus
minus 3. Then solve x by transposing 2 to the denominator. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is called zero of the polynomial 2x plus 3. Right? Tejasvi, I'm asking you one more question. Try to tell quick as possible. Others should not go for responding. Only Tejasvi will tell. And a simple one will be given. It is 3x plus 11. What is the zero of this polynomial?
Minus 11 by 3.
Yes, minus 11 by 2. And transferring, it becomes minus 11. Transposing, it comes to the denominator. It will be minus 11 by 2. Then, yes. Sanjana G. Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
X by 2 plus 1. What is the zero of this polynomial?
Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 2, sir.
Wait.
Minus 2, sir.
Not well.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Sanjana, mind calculation. Just mind calculation is enough. What is it? X by 2 plus 1. It should be equated to 0, right? Then x by 2 transfer 1 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 1. Then cross multiply 2. Here x is equal to minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. X equal to minus 2. So therefore, minus 2 is called zero of the polynomial. Right?
That's it.
Got it? Okay. I'll give you the same type. Try to tell. Sanjana, yourself. Okay. It is x by 3 plus 2. What is the zero of this polynomial? Sanjana G.
Minus 6.
Very good. It is minus 6. How simple it is. X by 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Transfer 2 to the right hand side. Here, x by 3 is equal to minus 2. Cross multiply 3. Minus 2 into 3. This is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 is the zero of the polynomial. Right? Okay. And this much was discussed. Now, we are moving to the next part of the chapter. And in finding the zeros, total how many were over?
5.
5 questions were over.
Why, sir?
Five.
Were over. Now I'm going to give you 6th one, 7th one, and 8th one. Right? It is 6th one. First name, it is 6th one. 6th one is, I'll give you very simple one. It is 2x.
This is the last warning to everyone. Aniket K, Gagandeep MV, Zil Babel. During the answer time only, you have to unmute your audio. Aniket AK, can you hear my sound?
Yes, sir.
What is sir? What are you doing? Still you are not unmuting, muting. Unmute your audio.
Yes.
This is the last warning. If you are going to simply unmute your audio. I'm going to remove the from the meeting. This is the last warning, everyone. During the answer time only, you have to unmute your audio and speak. Afterwards, you have to mute. This should not be repeated again. I'm not going to warn again. Directly, I'm going to remove from the meeting.
So shall I continue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, sorry.
Okay, it's okay, sir. Just once I have been reminding you, whenever I ask you the question, in that time only, unmute, then go for responding. So it will be, you feel very comfortable for answering. Or else if you keep unmuting that, it will be disturbance for others. 2x plus 3, already we have found out that. Continue the same, right? You are going to find out the 0 of 2x plus 3. Therefore, first, it should be equated to 0. Now transfer 3 to the right hand side. It is 2x is equal to minus 3. Write with me. X is equal to transpose 2 to the denominator. It is minus 3 by 2. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 3 is minus 3 by 2. It is minus 3 by 2. Next, another one. It is 7th one. Put double sum. It was given in the examination. This was given in the examination. It is find the 0 of the polynomial. It is 7x plus 5 by 2. This type was given in the examination. Yes, go on finding with me. Don't be lagging. Right.
Sir, minus 5 by 14.
Minus 5 by 14.
So minus 5 by 14.
Minus
Very
5
good.
by 14.
You are right. Continue. 7x plus 5 by 2. It should be equated to 0. Now transfer 5 by 2 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 5 by 2. Then transpose 7 to the denominator. It is x is equal to minus 5 by 7 into 2, 14. X is equal to minus 5 by 14. This is the required 0. Right. Therefore, the 0 of 7x plus 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 14. Now let me take one more. Right. 8th one. This is right. 2x by 11 minus 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Put double star mark for this one. This was also given in the examination. Yes.
22 by 3, sir.
22 by 3, sir.
Very good. Very good. You are right.
22 by 3.
Yes. 22 by 3. Whether it is minus 22 by 3 or plus 22 by 3.
Minus, sir.
Plus, sir.
Plus, sir.
Plus, sir. Plus.
Plus.
Very good. Samarth, have you found out? Sanvi, found out? Yes. Lavanya. Okay. Kaulashik, have you found out? Still, you are right. Dax, have you got the same answer? Okay. Manya A. Not got. Oh, it's okay. Amulya CK. Amulya CK. No. Shubhan Nalpet. Okay, he has got. Amok BM. Yes. Tanish. Have you got the answer? No. It's okay. Abhinandan. Yes, he has got. Giridhar. Okay. Now you observe. Observe, it's very simple. 2x by 11 minus 4 by 3. This is the given polynomial. We are going to find out its zeros. Hence, it should be equated to 0. We want x value. So transfer minus 4 by 3 to the right hand side. Now here I'll write 2x by 11, it is equal to plus 4 by 3. Now you may go for cross multiply 11 and 2. Here x is equal to 11 into 4 by transpose 2 to the denominator. 2 into 3. Cancel here. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Now observe 11 twos are 22 by 3. X equal to 22 by 3. Is it not simple? Larissa? Simple or not? Okay. Dhanush? Understood? Good boy. Ash Jain. Sit properly. And don't shake the mobile. Place it mobile at one place. Your mobile will always be shaking. It should not happen. Okay. Manya Jain. I've got. Yes. Okay. So therefore, the zero of the given polynomial, that is 2x by 11 minus 4 by 3 is 22 by 3. Now, first main, all the types of problems are over. Now we are moving to the second main. In the second main, we will go for checking whether the given numbers are the zero of the given polynomial. Did you understand the statement what I told?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yatin and Ashwan, they are responding. Yes, Tanya also. Namit? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. One sided. In the second main, they'll give you the statement like check whether minus 3 by 2 is the zero of this polynomial. In first main, we found the zero. In second main, we will check the zero. I go for taking one example. Nobody should go for copying. Just look at the board. Assume that the question is given like this. Check whether minus 3 by 2 is the zero of 2x plus 3. If the question is given like this, you are going to verify. If it is a zero, you know that when it is substituted in place of the variable, what should be the value of the variable?
0.
It should be 0.
Zero.
Here are right. P of x is equal to 2x plus 3. This is the given polynomial. And the given number is minus 3 by 2. So here I'll write P of minus 3 by 2. In place of x, I'll write minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2, then plus 3. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. This is minus 3 and is plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled.
Zero.
It is 0. Now we got P of minus 3 by 2 is 0. That is why. What do we say about minus 3 by 2?
It is a 0.
0 of the 2x
Zero
plus
of the
3.
Zero
2x
of the
plus 3.
polynomial.
It's not simple. Anveka?
Yes, sir.
Simple or not? Okay. Yes. Dhruti? Okay. Very good. Yes. Now I'll go for taking some example. Second question. Right. The question is like this. Second minute. In that first one, check whether -2 and +2 are the zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. I've taken very simple one. Please observe the board. Don't write. Afterwards, again, I'll give you time for writing. As we are going to check that, which word should be written? Should I write answer, solution, or verification?
Verification.
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 Here, the question is, you have to check whether -2 is the zero of the polynomial x plus 2, and even we have to check whether 2 is the zero of the polynomial x plus 2.
Sir, -2 is the
You are
zero.
writing.
-2.
X plus 2.
Wait.
-2 is
-2.
the zero, sir.
Zero
When
of
the teacher
x
is
plus 2.
explaining, you have to follow their instruction. Mohita, ಈಗ ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ you cannot understand it properly. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು you can write. We are going to verify that and assume the given polynomial, that is x plus 2, has p of x, that is polynomial in x. This is equal to, it is x plus 2. Let us verify one by one. First one is here -2. We have to check whether -2 is the zero of the polynomial. Hence, I substitute -2 in place of x. Now this is equal to, in place of x, -2. Then +2 as it is. -2 plus 2 get cancelled.
Zero.
It is 0. So p of -2, and the value of the polynomial is 0 when x is -2. Therefore, -2 is the zero of x plus 2. Got it? Manasa, artha aitanama?
Yes, sir.
Manasa, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you may copy this one and go for verify second one yourself. Vega. Parkolama, Manasa.
Sir, 4.
4 is the answer for 2.
4 is the answer.
Copy this. Hope that you have copied.
Sir,
Jackno.
2 is,
Yes, yes.
sir, 2 is not zero of x plus 2.
Very good, very good. Chandana, copied. Some faster ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Shifa Alia. Okay, if it is over, let's go for checking whether 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Please write with me. It is p of 2. Means we have to substitute 2 in place of x. Here x plus 2 is there.
Yes, sir.
X is nothing but
2 plus 2.
plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4.
4.
Is it equal to 0?
Therefore, no, sir.
No, sir.
No. So 4 is not equal to 0, which means that p of 2 is not equal to 0. If it does not equal to 0, then what do you say about 2?
2
2
is
is
not
non-zero.
the zero
is
of
not
x plus 2.
0 of x plus 2.
2 is not the zero of x plus 2. Now, In that only, I'll go for taking second one. Shreyas, have you copied? When you are writing, should not hold like this. Both the hands should be there on your study table, because energy will be circulating from your hand to mind, then mind to hand, like this. Okay. Lakshmi Shri, have you copied? Yes, yes. Akshay? Yes. Okay. Now I'll give you another one. And this was given in the examination as. Wait. Exam nalli yav riti kottidare andre, I'm going to give the same statement. Right. Verify whether 2 minus 1 by 2 and 0 are the zeros of x square minus 2x. Listen here. Listen. One interesting thing is there.
Sir,
A
answer
student.
0.
Yes, sir.
0 will come.
No. ಈಗ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, here you can notice one interesting thing. That is, you all know that the number of zeros of a polynomial depends on its degree. Alva? If it is linear polynomial, how many zeros it will be having?
One.
One.
If quadratic polynomial,
Two.
Two zeros.
what type of polynomial it is?
Quadratic.
Then how many zeros should be there?
Two
Two.
zeros.
Three numbers kottidalla. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want response. Either you have to say yes or you have to say no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Oh, and sumni yavaglu inge torsodalla. You have to
No.
understand
No,
and
sir.
tell accordingly. Yes.
No, sir.
Larissa
No,
is
sir.
telling correctly. She is telling correctly. Of course, we cannot take these three numbers, right, Larissa?
Yes. Yes, sir.
No. Here we are going to check whether these numbers are the zeros. Any numbers can be taken, but among those numbers, only two numbers will be zeros. Alva?
I did not get, sir. Can you explain once again?
Once I tell you. See that here, just we are going to check whether 2 is the zero of this polynomial, or minus 1 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial, 0 is the zero of this polynomial. Even some other numbers like 5, 7, 10. You can take any numbers for checking. Any numbers can be used for checking, but among those numbers, how many zeros will be there?
Sir, 2 and 0 are the
Only
zeros.
2 zeros will be there. Why? Because it has 2 zeros as its degree is 2.
Sir, 2 and 0 are the zeros.
Larissa, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, observe. And please go on writing with me. Verification.
2 and 0, sir.
I'll go for assuming the given polynomial as p of x. P of x is equal to x square minus 2x. Let us go for checking one by one. See, first one is 2. I'm going to substitute 2 in place of x. P of 2 is equal to, write with me, it is 2 whole square minus 2 into 2.
0.
Shreyas MH.
P of 2 is equal to 0.
4. Here 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So P of 2 is 0. The value of the polynomial is 0. Then what do you say about 2?
Is the 0.
2
2
is
is
0.
right. Therefore, 2 is the 0 of x square minus 2x. Now let us go for checking by taking minus 1 by 2 in
It
place of
is
x.
not 0.
Wait, let us check it out. P of minus 1 by 2, it's equal to here x square minus 2x is there, or else you can take here x square, x is minus 1 by 2, right, whole square, minus 2 into x is minus 1 by 2. Alright. Now it is equal to minus 1 by 2
4.
whole square. Minus 1,
1 by
minus
4.
1 whole square is
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
wait.
1 by 4.
Square is 4. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Plus minus into minus plus here 1. Take LCM and simplify. LCM is 4. Then multiply LCM with the first term. You'll get 1. With the second term, 1 4 are 4. It will be 5 by 4. Have you got the same answer?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you got same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fahim, have you got the
Yes,
same
sir.
answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Now, this is equal. Here 5 by 4 is not equal to 0, which means P of minus 1 by 2 is not equal to 0. Here I'll write the conclusion. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is not the 0 of x square minus 2x. Written up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we have one more number. That number is 0.
0.
Let us go for checking whether 0 is the 0 of the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
This polynomial. Here
Yes,
right with
Yes, sir.
0. P of
Yes,
0,
sir.
it is equal to x square minus 2x is there. X square 0 whole square minus 2 into x is there into 0. 0 whole square is 0, 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So P of 0 is 0. As the value is 0, Ranjan or Pisale, sit properly. I think from tomorrow onwards you have to use ordinary chair. Don't go for using that wheelchair. It's not good. P of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is the 0 of x square minus 2x. Overall. And for this question, have you put star mark? If not, you just put double star mark. Now I'm going to give you the third subquestion. This was also given in the examination. So put double star mark and write. Yes, right. Verify whether minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 2 by root 3 are the zeros of right 3x square minus 1. 3x square minus. Try to do that yourself. Just I'll give you 20 seconds for solving. Only first one. First you check whether minus 1 by root 3 is the zero of the polynomial 3x square minus 1.
No, sir.
You're telling no, it's okay. Then others also
No,
can
sir.
try.
No, sir. No, sir. Minus
No,
2 will
sir.
come final answer.
Sir,
One will come, sir.
Sir, one will come.
Will come, sir.
Sir, one
Final
Became
answer 1.
0.
Sir, one will come, sir.
0.
Sir, one will come.
Alpate, don't tell oftenly. Once
Sir,
you
I
have
got
done
0.
enough.
I also got 0.
Very
I
good.
got 0, sir. 1 minus 1.
Yes, sir. 2 by root 3 is also not the 0, sir.
Even I got 0.
Okay.
0.
Okay.
I got 0, sir.
Yeah, enough. Now it is my turn. Shreya,
0, sir.
0, sir.
I've got 0. Very good. Shreyas Kulambi,
0, sir.
0. Very good. Lavanya, not got. Okay. Afrin Sheikh,
0, sir.
0. Good. Okay. Shamita T. Ekote, whether you got 0 or not. Okay. Then Rakshita B, just show hand enough like this. That you got 0. It is a symbol of super, not 0. It's okay. Okay. Yes, you are right. Definitely. Minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Here, if you have already written, you just cross check with my writing. If not, please go on writing it. Right. Verification. Here are mine. Let us take the given polynomial as p of x. Let p of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Then p of where x is minus 1 by root 3. It is equal to 3 into, in place of x, I am writing minus 1 by root 3 whole square, then minus 1. Dear students, observe this carefully. Here, whatever
Square and root cancel.
Square and root get cancelled.
Wait. Apply this square to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. And root 3 whole square, we know that. We are very familiar with this. Root 3 whole square. Here square and root get cancelled. Only 3 will remain. Now, minus 1. Next, 3 and 3 get cancelled. Remaining 1. Then minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is P of minus 1 by root 3 is 0. It is such a simple one. It was given in the examination for 2 marks, including this also. Let me write the conclusion. Therefore, minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial 3x square minus 1. Next, let us check whether 2 by root 3 is the 0.
3.
What answer? 3 baruta. Okay. Okay.
1.
If it is 3, is it a 0?
3,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Very good. Definitely you are right. Yes. Then cross check with my name. P of x is 2 by root 3. This is equal to substitute 2 by root 3 in place of x. 3x square is there. 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square plus minus 1. This is equal to 3 into apply square to both the terms. 2 square. 2 square is 2 2s are 4. Next root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. Only 3 minus 1. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled. Remaining 4 and minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Very good. We know that this 3 is not equal to 0. Therefore, P of 2 by root 3 is also not equal to 0. Hence, you can say that it is not the 0 of the given polynomial. Therefore, 2 by root 3 is not the 0 of the polynomial 3x square minus 1. Over.
Yes, sir.
Now let me take another one. Another one, even this was also given in the examination. See, today I have taken the problems from your NCERT textbook as well as from your previous year board exam papers, not school exams. Earlier, even 9th students had also board exam. I've been collecting the questions from there. Right. So, put star mark and copy the same. Verify whether minus 2 and 3 are the zeros of x square minus x minus 6. You have to check this and give you just 20 seconds to write both. 20 seconds. Within 20 seconds, you have to finish both.
Sir, 3 is the 0 of x square minus x minus 6.
Sir, 3 is the zeros of
3.
x square minus
Right.
x by 6.
What is there about minus 2?
Minus
Four,
2 is
sir.
also
No,
0,
sir.
sir.
Ah, 18.
No,
Minus
sir.
1 will come, sir.
Enough. Enough. Sanjana, yes, sir. Have you got? Try
Sir,
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
minus 2 is the 0. Sir,
minus 2 is 0.
Sir, minus 2 is 0, sir.
Okay, okay. Very good.
Is
Praveen.
0.
Aditya,
minus
Praveen,
two is also
Vivek.
0, sir. Sir, minus 2
Minus
Sir,
2 is the
both are
0.
0, sir.
minus
Enough,
2
enough.
are 0, sir.
both are
Enough.
0, sir.
Manya Jai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell.
Sir, 2 is also 0. Minus 2.
Minus 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Very good. What do you say about 3?
Not done. 3 is also
Not
0.
done. Okay.
3
Right.
is also 3 is also 0.
3 is also 0, sir. 3 is also 0.
3 is also.
0.
You are 20 seconds over. Now just observe the board. I'll write quick as possible. See that. The given polynomial is P of x. It is x square minus x minus 6. Let me take first one. This is minus 2. So P of minus 2. Let us substitute minus 2 in place of x. So minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2
Minus
minus 6.
6.
So minus 2 whole square
4.
is plus 4. This is very important. Don't write minus 4. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4 because minus 2 into minus 2 is here minus into minus plus 2 to the 4. Next, here minus into minus
Minus
plus
plus
4 minus 6. 4 plus
6
2.
minus 6.
6 minus 6 is 0. So P of minus 2 is the 0. Sorry, is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial. I'll write the conclusion at last. I'll go for verifying the next one also. That is whether 3 is the zero. Mohita, quick barivekama, nan barivaga. P of 3. You substitute 3 in place of x. So 3 whole square minus 3 minus 6. It is equal to 3 square is 9. Here minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0.
0.
Here, both P of 3 and P of minus 2 0. Therefore, minus 2 and 3 both are the zeros of the given polynomial. Clear? Understood? Aniket?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Yes. Let me write the conclusion. Therefore, minus 2 and this plus 3 are the zeros of x square minus x minus x. I've written the conclusion one time only. You separate it very good. Here minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Here 3 is the zero of the polynomial. Or else both. Dear students, now we are moving to another very important part of this chapter with respect to again zeros. But these questions are not there in the textbook. It was asked in the examination. I have been taking the questions from S. Chan, R.D. Sharma, and all in one. Either is the third time. Among them, one example. Third one, third question it is. See, listen to me once I remind you. In the first main, we found out the zeros. In the second main, we checked the given numbers are zeros or not. In the third main, we are going to find out the unknown term. You'll come to know what is that unknown term. Write the question. Third one, please put 3 star marks. 3 star marks. Important one. Nimage exam nalke chances irutte. Because it includes bit more calculation, smart one, and will be asked for 1 mark. I'll give you that problem. Right. Third way, first. If x equal to 3 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial. No. When you just by going through this one sentence only, it is, you can observe that it is how interesting statement it is. Is it not? Don't sit seriously.
Yes,
Shifalia, you bada serious.
Yes, sir.
Is statement nodidre interesting ansalva?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I am asking Shifalia.
Sir.
Huh? There must be charming in your face. You know, Suni, that should not be done. Feel free, feel comfortable. You know, you compare one. First main, we found out the zeros. Second main, we checked the zeros. 3 by 2 is 0 ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Is it not interesting?
Sir.
We should
Yes, sir.
Not interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now I will complete the statement.
Sir.
If x equal to 3 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial, 2x square plus kx minus 12, then find
Okay.
the value of, very good, somebody has already told, which is the unknown quantity here?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The coefficient k. This is now find out. Now, first I'll go for explaining it. Listen carefully. Afterwards, you can write it. Chandana, have you finished? Nan jotegene baribekama. Correct mugiskobeku. Okay. Now listen to me. Amog, stop writing. Prithvi, what has happened? Nothing. Listen. You know, this is very interesting. Minus 3 by 2 is the zero of this polynomial. If it is a zero of this polynomial, then what will be the value of p of 3 by 2?
0.
0.
0. Alva? Danush, listen. 3 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Avare kottirodu. That is why the value of this will be 0. But still we do not know p of 3 by 2. This should be found out. Here, nobody should copy. Just observe. Here, p of x is the given polynomial. Wait a minute. Right. I think some additional sound is coming now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Observe. Triptych. Look at the board. Observe. P of x is the polynomial 2x square plus kx minus 12. We want P of 3 by 2 value. So P of 3 by 2. Let me substitute 3 by 2 in place of x. Here 2 into 3 by 2 whole square plus k into 3 by 2 minus 12. And this is equal to here 2 into, don't go for cancelling 2 and 2. It won't come. First you have to apply the square. Here
6 by 4.
9 by 4.
9 by 2.
9 by 4.
9 by 4, sir.
plus 3k by 2 minus 12. Next, here 2 ones are,
Sir,
2
echo.
2s are. It will be 9
9
by
by
2
2.
plus 3k by 2 minus 12.
Sir, what is echoing, sir?
Is 2.
Sir, echoing,
Multiply
sir.
Echo.
the first term. 2 get cancelled 9.
Sir, the voice is repeating, sir.
Sir, voice is echoing.
Yes, sir.
What?
Echo ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ sir.
Echo, sir.
Echo.
Echoing. Yes, sir.
Now can you hear me correctly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
LCM is 2. I'm multiplying LCM with first term, 2 get cancelled, 9. With second term, 2 get cancelled, you will get 3k. Next,
Minus 24.
wait. Multiply 2 with this minus 12, it becomes minus 20.
Minus 24.
Trupti, don't touch the mobile. I've been
Minus
explaining.
24 plus 9
It
minus
is equal
15.
to, here I'll write 3k as it is unlike term. Like term, minus 24 plus 9.
Minus
Minus
15.
15
Minus 15.
by 2.
15, sir.
Divided by 2. So this is the value of 3 by 2. But our em kottidare andre 3 by 2 is the zero of the given polynomial. Hence it should be 0. We have written that according to the statement. And we know P of 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is 3k minus 15 by 2. That is equal to 0. Now let us cross multiply. 3k minus 15. It's equal to.
Sir, K will 5, sir. Answer. K 5.
Next, 3k is equal to transfer minus 15 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 15. Then k is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s. P value is 5. Now you tell whether you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, show the symbol.
Yes,
If
sir.
not, like this. Danush, understood? Okay, Salik, Mohammed Salik, very good. Prajwal is good. Sanvi, Amok BM,
Explain from sixth step, sir.
Sir, explain yourself from the once again.
Sir, explain once again.
Abhinandan, one has already told. I have to respond for that. I'll do. Wait. Oh, once I go for explaining. First, you understand the meaning. Then afterwards, listen my explanation. Here, 3 by 2 is the zero of the given polynomial. This is the statement diagram. According to this, when it is substituted here, the value should be 0. I have done the same. P of 3 by 2 is 0. But we do not know P of 3 by 2. That has been found out here by taking the given polynomial. On substituting and simplifying, you get 3k minus 15 by 2. And substituting 3k minus 15 by 2 in place of P of 3 by 2. Then it is equated to 0. Cross multiplying, it is 0. Transferring, it becomes plus 15. Transposing, it becomes 15 by 3 is nothing but 5. Got it? Chaitanya sir. Very good. Rutusri, Sarthak. Okay. Babel. Okay. Yes. Now you'll write. Yes. Right. Solution. First, let me assume the given polynomial as P of x. Right. P of x is equal to 2x square plus kx minus 12. Then let me substitute 3 by 2 in place of x. P of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole square plus k into 3 by 2 minus 12. This is equal to 2 into, apply square to both, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, plus multiply k with 3. This will be
3k by 2 minus 12.
minus 12. It is equal to, here 2 ones are, 2 twos are. This will be 9 by 2, then plus 3k by 2 minus 12. This is equal. Take the LCM of the denominator. It is 2. Multiply LCM with the first term. It is 9. With second term, 3k. With the third term, it is
24.
minus 24. Now this is equal to 3k. 9 minus 24 is minus 15 divided by 2. This is the value of P of 3 by 2. I'm highlighting this. But in statement, it has been given that 3 by 2 is the 0. All right. AGS, it is P of 3 by 2 equal to 0. Got it?
Sir,
Have you got
AGS
it?
means what, sir?
Dhanush.
Sir.
Sir,
AGS means what, sir?
What is
Sir,
AGS?
AGS means what?
I'll tell you.
According to given statement.
Very good. Very good. Somebody else. According to the given statement. Statement ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Hence, P of 3 by 2 is 0. Clear? Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
proceed. P of 3 by 2 is 3k minus 15 by 2, which is equal to 0. Then 3k minus 15 on cross multiplying 0 into 2 will be 0. Direct 3k is equal to 0 into 2 is 0. Transfer minus 15 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 15. Then k is equal to 15 by 3. And k is equal to 5. The value of k is 5. How much marks? How much marks do you expect?
3 marks.
At least 2 marks.
2 marks. 2 marks. 2 marks. 2 to 3 marks. 2
marks, 2 to 3 marks. sir.
1 mark, sir. 1 mark.
1 mark, sir. 2 marks, sir.
Then once it's enough. It is not for 2 marks. It is not for 3 marks. It was given in the examination
mark.
for 1 mark.
Sir, for 1 mark, you should write this one, sir.
Only 1 marks, no, sir.
No need to write this much. Simple way na ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. They have given 3 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. You 1 mark ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ directly it is okay 2 into ಈಗ 2x plus kx minus 12 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ 2 into where x they only have given 3 by 2 whole square plus k into 3 by 2 minus 12. As it is a 0, it will be equal to 0. Then this is here 3 square 9. It is 4. 1s are 2, 2s are 9 by 2 plus 3k by 2 minus 12 equal to 0. And this is 2 is the LCM. 9 plus 3k minus 24 equal to 0. Then 3k is equal to see minus 24 plus 9 minus 15 on cross multiplying 2 to the right hand side 0 minus 15 transfer that to the right hand side becomes plus 15. K is equal to 5. That's all. Understood? You 1 marks in ishtondella barita kotre one thing the time will be wasted. And even if you write these many steps, we cannot give half of marks for each step. We will give 1 mark only. We can expect this. Only these many steps are enough. If you are very sharp in mathematics, you can reduce this step also, these two. Directly available. First one, second one, third one. 3 steps are
Sir,
enough.
how many problems they may give, sir?
1 problem. 1 only. 1 such problem will be there. Yes. And now I'm going to give you the same type problem only. Yes. Go for 4 minutes. Even this was also given in the examination. You can put 3 star now. Right. Second one. The question is like a simple one. If x equal to 2, if x equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, they are given a polynomial of degree 3. Means which polynomial?
Cubic
Cubic.
polynomial.
Polynomial. It is 8x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus k. Then find the value of k. Let me see how many of you can do this. I'll give you exactly 50 minutes. Sorry, 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Within 1 minute, it should be complete.
Minus
10 seconds
72,
over.
sir.
Huh?
Minus 72.
Who is that?
Jaknur, sir.
Jaknur, just cross check. You are very close to the answer, but somewhere else you have done mistake. Maybe in the last 2 to 3 steps.
Minus 74.
Then minus 6.
I think Praveen.
Minus 74, sir.
Minus 74.
Sir, minus 84.
74, absolutely right. Minus 74. See, you told within 20 seconds only. So it can be given for 1 mark. And 1 mark. Within 1 minute you are solving, no? Therefore, it is given for 1 mark. Yes. Minus 74 is correct answer. Dhanush,
Minus 74.
try ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Dhanush should try to solve.
Minus 74, sir.
Correct. Dhanush, have you got the answer? Prashast? Got answer? How much? How much? Renuka? Have you solved? Now, 40 seconds are over. Last 10 seconds.
74.
Sir, minus 74.
Minus 74.
Sanjana ji, what answer you have got?
Minus 74, sir.
Very good. You are right. Very good. Then, first shortcut method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಈಗ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕೊಡೋದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಮರ್ಥ್ ಎಂವಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ 10 seconds ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು 50 seconds ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ x equal to 2 is the zero of this polynomial. Here I write 8x cube 8 into 2 whole cube plus 4 into x square 2 whole square minus 3 into x is 2 plus k equal to 0. Now 3 cube is it is 8 8 8s are
64.
2 square is 4 4 4s are
60.
minus 3 into 2
Minus 6
plus k
plus k.
equal to 0. K is equal to 16 minus 6
10.
is 10.
74.
10 74.
Minus
74K.
Minus 74.
64 plus 10 is 74.
Minus 74k.
Add to the
74
Minus
plus k.
74.
Square
How
k
many
is
steps?
equal to minus 7.
only
Three
3
steps.
steps. Shreya,
Yes.
within 3 steps only we completed 1 mark. Iste bardre saku. We have to give 1 mark. Marks and distribute agutte. This is half marks. In the calculation, we won't expect this one. We expect this final one, half plus half, 1 mark. But do remember, this can also be given for 2 marks as well. 2 marks in Kerala, we obviously have to follow the required steps. Even those who have not done, please write with me, and those who have done, you can cross check with my writing. I'll write the given polynomial. It is p of x is equal to 8x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus k. Then here I'll find out the value of p of 2 because x is 2. Here 8 into 2 whole cube plus 4 into 2 whole square 3 into 2 plus k. 2 square is 8, 8 8s are 64, 2 square is 4, 4 4s are 16, minus 6 plus k. 16 minus 6, 10, 64 plus 10 is 74, 74 plus k. This is the value of p of 2. Then, according to the given statement, that is, they have given p of 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, hence p of 2 it is equal to 0, where p of 2 is 74 plus k. This is equal to 0. Now k is equal to, transfer 74 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 70. Therefore, value of k is minus 74. Ora.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With respect to the first two exercise of this chapter, we have solved all the types of problems. Hence, now we are moving to exercise questions. They are very simple actually. NCERT.
Yes, sir. They are very simple.
Anyhow, let's go for answering them. Should move little bit fast. Should I repeat? Okay, right. Exercise 2.1. Should write quick as possible. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 in that first one. It's too simple here. You will tell that such questions won't be asked in the examination. These you have already learned in your previous class. Which of the following expressions? Which of the following expressions? Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? In one variable, and which are not? State reasons for your answer. State reasons for your answers in that first one. Here, 4x squared minus 3x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Just observe it. Go through the given statement. You should always write with me. Then you can follow the teacher easily. Shamita T. Ekbote. Look at it. Statement is, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Very simple. Simple thing is, first you should identify whether it is a polynomial or not. Even you polynomial and identify madbekadre, you have to observe the power of the variable. If the power of the variable is not integer, then it is a polynomial. See, check that. Yeah, sorry, tell that. Is it a polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also one variable
Polynomial has a
Power,
sir. Sir, it's a quadratic polynomial and has power of 2.
Enough. Good girl. Here, power of the variable is 2 and 1. See, 2 and 1 are the whole numbers. That is why it is a polynomial. Okay. Next one. Is it in one variable? That is also important.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many variables are
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yes, sir.
One variable.
One variable.
One variable.
Which is that variable?
X.
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 What x equal to 1? Observe. We have only x, no other letters. No y, no z, no a, no b. Only x is there. Therefore, it is one variable. Got it? Yes. Let us go for writing the answer for this. We are not going to find out the solution. We are going to answer. See, it is a polynomial in one variable. Can we write so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable. Okay. Should I give second one?
Sir, we have to state reason, sir.
Very good, very good. And some question is there, you observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. State reason for your answer. Reason ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು first now we are told that it is a polynomial. Why it is a polynomial? The reason is power of the variable is
Non-negative.
non-negative integer. And in one variable ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ because it has only one variable x. Right. Because first point, it has others. Because the power of variable is non-negative integer. Whole number is a non-negative integer. Not only one reason, we have one more reason, and it has only one variable, that is x. Right. X is the only one variable. X is the only one variable. I think I take one more. Okay. Second one. Y square plus root 2.
It is also one variable, sir.
Plus root 2.
But it is not polynomial, sir.
Is it a polynomial?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Polynomial. It is
Yes,
polynomial, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is a polynomial.
It is a polynomial.
It is a polynomial.
Yes, sir.
One thing
And
is,
one variable,
some
sir.
students, wait. Some students are following one criteria. That is in Kannada, what we say, Gumpunalli Govinda. If one says yes, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. If one says no, no sir, no sir, no sir. That's not fine. Here, observe the power of the variable. Here 2, variable is y. Power is 2. 2 is a non-negative integer. Therefore, it is a polynomial. Then how many variables are there?
One, sir.
One variable.
One, sir.
Variable.
Why?
Why? One minute. Same thing. It is a polynomial in one variable because the power of the variable is non-negative integer and y is the only one variable. That is the reason you will write. ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. Just observe. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ. Here I'll write x plus 2y minus 11. Now first question ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Is it a polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In two variable.
Yes, sir.
Question ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
Is it a polynomial? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You tell why it is as?
Because
Because
the
the
power is
power of the
non-negative.
variable is
Power is
non-negative.
non-negative integer.
Powers are non-negative.
Of a girl.
Power is 0, which is positive.
Lavanya is the name of the girl. Only she has to answer. Yes, Lavanya, get up.
Sir, because the powers are non-negative.
Very good. Power of the variables involved is non-negative. Therefore, non-negative integer, therefore it is a polynomial. My next question. Is it in one variable?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Abhinandan. Abhinandan.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Now only Abhinandan will tell the answer. Is it in one variable? Abhinandan?
No, sir.
No. Why?
There is two variable x and y.
Ah. There are two variables. There are two variables. One is x and another one is y. So you can write like this. It is a polynomial, but not in one variable. Got it? It is a polynomial, but not in one variable. The reason. This polynomial, power of the variable is non-negative integer. And it has two variables, x and y. Clear? Any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Many nice questions are there. Though they are simple, there we can learn a lot of things. So let's go for continuing this in the tomorrow's class. Before that, just one information. Tomorrow you have performance test 4 through Google Form in the evening from 7 to 7:40. 7 to 7:40. And the syllabus is
Polynomials.
okay, but test will be given for 20 marks
20 marks.
because we have covered up to here only. That is why. And today also I'll give you the worksheet, and I expect everybody to submit the worksheet. If you do not know the answer, try your best. Discuss with your friends, or in spite of that, if you do not get, you can ask me. Because when I went through yesterday's worksheets, some students, they have left the gap and they have given the reason also like this. Reason is, sir, I don't know sixth one. I don't know first one. I don't want reason. I want correct response. Nimage gottagde idre think ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Got it? Think ಮಾಡಿ. Correct answer, write it. Yes. Today, whatever we have done, they are all very important. Please do practice them today itself without fail.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So with this, let us stop the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.